Pearl, can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday. Can you put the shoe on the floor and put it on your foot? Ooh. Is that fancy? Are you going to get more? Oh, there's the other. Oh, another one. Oh, do you like that? Tony, stop. Montone will destroy your book. Ooh. Say shoe. Can you say mama? Pearl, can you say mama? Thank you. Can you say mama?